P6 model, 62-plate Renault Kangoo MAXI 5-seater factory crew cab ready to go. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 194436. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90 E5D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Added rear seats 5 in total. Drives exactly as it should with ease. First to see will buy. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.